Serial robots are known as articulated robots. They are the most common type of industrial robot. They can pick and place objects, and sort items on conveyor belts. Serial robots are equipped with welding torches or painting tools, and they can reach a larger workspace. They can place items in boxes or arrange them on pallets. Some serial robots can handle tools for drilling, grinding, or polishing tasks. Their ability to follow specific paths allows for precise machining and finishing of workpieces. Serial robots can load and unload materials from CNC machines, or lathes. They handle samples, conduct experiments, or perform delicate procedures in scientific research settings. Telemanipulated surgical robots are a type of serial robot that allows surgeons to perform minimally invasive procedures with greater precision and control. Serial robots are equipped with cameras and sensors. They are used in assembly lines, painting, welding, and material handling. They can perform precise manipulations at high speeds.